Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to second page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add border to second page, go to the second page. Now we can see here on second page, then zoom out the document, click the zoom out option. Then go to the home menu, then click the draw text box option, then draw a text box over the page. Then go to the shape format menu and click shape outline option, then choose any color. Now I select the red color, then again go back this shape outline option and increase the white. Now we can see we put it border only second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.